You're probably watching this video because you downloaded or you subscribed to my freebie for Google Classroom, free activities. After you subscribed, you will get an email into your inbox. Follow all the instructions that I'm telling you here. Thank you for the download. You'll get the freebie to your inbox. You should click to download. You'll get a PDF file with all the instructions and frequently asked questions about Google Classroom resources. Go to the first page of this PDF file and click here. You'll get to the make a copy. You'll get to the Google Slides. Automatically, the freebie will be added to your Google Drive. The instructions say that you need to use the slides in edit mode, not in the presentation mode, not in this mode. The movable pieces will not work here. You use the edit mode, this is the edit mode, and you move the movable pieces. You find the word on the typewriter, you find this word in the word search, here you can find the word on the keyboard. You box it up using this star and type the sentence. Here you put the words in the correct order to make a sentence. According to the image that the kids see on the trains, they build a word: cat and rat. Unicorn. So the kids build a sentence. First of all, they move the sentence under the images, the cat and mat, and then add other words to make a sentence. So starting with the word with a capital letter. This is the slide about making up a small passage. Also about the image that they see on the left. They put the sentences in the right order. These are escalator slides, so here kids practice rhyming words. They match the word with the image. And then they can read it or repeat it. The puzzle sentences. So find a sentence that matches the image. Kids look at the image and drag the movable pieces to make a sentence. The bat is on the mat, and then they type it. So all these movable pieces work on iPads, on tablets. If you want to type the sentence, you need to double tap for it to work.